Lastly, maybe I will take a look at purchasing manager and then go into some of the order processing flows so you guys can see the changes we have made for appliance industry. So as a purchasing or procurement manager, I'm more interested in purchase orders to approve, items on the order that we are waiting to receive in, um, quantity on hand alerts. So you can set up alerts within the system and they will show up as reminders on your dashboard. And you can set that natively, or you can have workflows that can trigger alerts, and those alerts would make their way onto these reminders. There's also inbound shipment support. So you can use that if you are getting advanced shipment notices from your vendors, and you can then receive against them as well. We have KPIs for the purchasing. So KPIs related to inventory, sales, shipping charges, open POs, late purchase order lines, and so on. I have my inventory value, my days inventory has been on hand, inventory trends, my late POs that have not been received, available to sell. You have list views that you can include images in. So it's very important when you have items in different colors and features, and having that visual cue helps both maintain inventory as well as to sell them to the end client.